easy as falling off a log. We will fit the second one on just so you can see how easy it is. Okay, we've put the clamp there, squeeze it back in with your fingers, locate it. Don't put your finger underneath in case you drill right through. Large bolt. Through. If you want, you can just leave these bolts in. I'm going to start supplying the kit with 4 long bolts and 4 short bolts with dome nuts. It'll be your call which you want to put in. With these long bolts, you do them up tight. Firm there, give it a tap. It takes a very small tap. If we're going to leave these bolts in, then get your spanner, put it on the thread, wind it up tight, and just a couple of back and forward, and it will come off. Okay, it may leave a little dag there that you may just touch. Once you've snapped it off, you then just need to nip it up tight again because it will have moved. So nip it up tight. And that. It's your call. You can touch it with a little grinder or something and top it off, or take it out and put the dome nuts in. But seeing these are for a customer, we'll take it back out and put the domes in. Out he comes. In goes the new one. Okay, we've picked up the thread of the nut. Cheap spanners, forever adjusting them. Very good. Done. Complete.